First, I'd like to say my name is Miss Judy. I'd like to say that my condolences go out to all of you who have lost a loved one due to COVID-19, the flu, cancer, or who has just lost a loved one. I know it's hard. Um, I dedicate my research to my grandson, Khalid Meeks. Our family lost him July of 2020. I'd like to start by saying these are natural herbs, 4 steps of natural herbs to help you fight the coronavirus. If you're in a remote area where you cannot get to medication or a doctor, try using natural herbs. I had a friend say that he has family in Mexico and some of them passed away because they could not afford medication. These are just natural herbs that may help. I'm not a nurse. I'm not a scientist. I have worked in the medical field in the past. I am retired. Never been a doctor, and I don't claim to cure anyone. These are just natural herbs that I wanted to share with everyone because this pandemic is so out of control. This is the worst pandemic to hit America in history, in American history. Just this year, there has been 700,000 deaths due to coronavirus. I will start with step 1, which is garlic. You can use minced garlic, any type of minced garlic. Doesn't matter what name brand, this is just garlic. And you can use 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of minced garlic. You can put it in your food, or you can just swallow it and drink water behind it, and just take it and drink the water behind it. A cup of water. Step 1, garlic. Step 2, well, first of all, I want to mention garlic kills the bacteria in your intestines. The best time to take it is the first signs of illness. The first, second, or third day of your illness. Try to get garlic in your system. If you don't like the taste of garlic, you can always get the odorless garlic gel caps, gel pills. They're pretty inexpensive. 99-cent store, any store. I'm not advertising for 99-cent store. I'm just saying you can get them at a good price. You can get the minced garlic, or you can use the whole clove garlic and smash it and take about 1/4 teaspoon. There's different forms of garlic that you can take if you're not allergic. Step 2 is lemons. You could take half a lemon, squeeze it into 1 cup or 1.5 cup of warm water, not hot, because the hot water is bad for the enamel on your teeth. You squeeze this into the warm water and you drink it. You can also add a little ginger root, which would help also. You could just add a regular tea with it if you want, as long as you have some lemon juice in your tea. That lemon juice helps to cleanse your colon. That's what lemons are known for. Natural cure. Step 3 would be Claritin. You can get Claritin anywhere, any drugstore. Claritin is known for clearing your chest of the congestion. It could likely prevent you from getting pneumonia. It's not a cure for pneumonia. It's a prevention for congestion in your lungs. So take your Claritin as prescribed, usually once a day. Claritin It's very good. I've used it for years. Or the generic brand of Claritin works just as well. Uh, it doesn't say Claritin, but it does have the same ingredient as Claritin. So read your ingredients and you'll know which one to take. So far, we've done the garlic, the Claritin, the lemons, and step 4 would be nasal spray. You would take all these in one day. The nasal spray helps to clear your nasal passage. It shrinks the membranes so that you can breathe better. Any type of nasal spray. This says just for relief of nasal. It's a nasal decongestant. It just relieves it really clears your nose where you can breathe much better. This is something you really would like to do, is keep your airway clear, your lungs clear, and the germs and the infection under control by using the garlic. This is the type of tea that you can use. I have different types of tea. This is peppermint tea. Peppermint tea helps your breathing as well. If you like with the 4 steps to fight COVID, 4 steps to fight COVID, flu virus, most illnesses, natural cures, natural, not a natural cure, but natural ingredients to help you fight this horrible virus that we're fighting today. If you like these 4 steps, please click like and subscribe. Again, my name is Miss Judy. I will be making another video letting you know the dangers of pneumonia and how to prevent pneumonia. And if you would like more detailed information on the 4 steps that I've given you, there's research information below, and it also comes in a booklet. The booklet is a very small fee of $5. It gives you time to go over it and find more important information. Be safe. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. This is another Cantrell Community Connections.